In this video, we're going to be talking about how to optimize your Google Ads display campaigns. When creating a Google Ads campaign, the first thing that you need to do is identify your goals. When you start creating a Google Ads campaign, you will see suggested settings and bidding strategies. So for example, here we've got sales, leads, website traffic, etc. Deciding your goals in advance will help you plan and implement your display campaigns better. The goal that you choose will influence the audience segments you target, your budget, your bidding strategy, your creative, and the metrics you track. It's also important that you have conversion tracking set up on your site. By setting up conversion tracking, you will feed information back into Google, tell it when there's been a successful action, and then Google can use that information to find you more customers like that. Another way that you can optimize your campaign is by using smart bidding. Automated bidding is a great time saver and from experience generates excellent results. Display campaigns support automated bidding strategies, e.g. enhance CPC and maximize clicks, that monitor auction behavior on Google Ads and automatically adjust your bids to get the best performance. Display campaigns also support smart bidding strategies, that is, maximize conversions and target ROAS, that use conversion and conversion data to bid in line with your performance goals. It's also important that you set a daily budget which is high enough so you don't run out of budget halfway through the day and therefore lose impressions. Optimized targeting is automatically set up on the account, and it's a good idea to leave it as it is. By selecting optimized targeting, Google will find new and relevant customers likely to convert based on your campaign goals. Optimized targeting uses Google's machine learning to look beyond manually selected audience segments in your campaign and then find audience segments that you may have missed so that you can improve your campaign performance. That said, it's a good idea to add your own targeting. Adding targeting signals such as audience segments or keywords will help Google find the right customer for your ads more quickly. Optimized targeting uses audience signals to help understand your audience. If over time, optimized targeting finds better performing traffic elsewhere, it may reduce or stop serving traffic to your signals. When creating ads, it's a good idea to use Google's most up-to-date format, which is responsive display ads. Responsive display ads can take much of the work out of tailoring assets to your audience segments. With responsive display ads, you can upload your assets, for example, images, headlines, logos, and videos, and descriptions, and Google will automatically generate ads from these combinations based on its perception of what will most appeal to users. When you're using display ads, the creative you use is obviously very important. Your images are a very important part of your ad. They help people understand your business, product, and brand. You should use only high-quality images where your business, product, or brand is the main focus. You should avoid using poor-quality images, images with borders, images with digital composite backgrounds, or text images, because when the ad is quite small, it will be hard to read. Logos are optional, but they're a good thing to add. If you do not upload a logo, Google will add a neutral icon such as a globe or the first letter of your brand. So obviously it would be much better if you added your own logo. Things to consider: you may upload a logo in either a 1:1 or 4:1 ratio. Your logo should be centered and cropped carefully. Again, you shouldn't have text because that's hard to read at small sizes. And whilst white backgrounds are acceptable, it's best to use a transparent background. Moving on to the header text in your ad. You can create up to 5 descriptions of up to 90 characters each. The description usually goes with a headline and should complement your headlines. Use the descriptions to supply more information that articulates your value proposition. You can upload up to 5 headlines of 30 characters each. Make sure headlines each say something different. They should be informative and outline your value proposition. There's no need to use punctuation at the end of your headlines. Do not duplicate the text from your description and do not use your business name in the headline. In your long headlines, you have up to 90 characters to outline your value proposition. Your long headline may be served without any extra description text, depending on where your ad is served. Therefore, make sure that each long headline can be understood on its own and says something different. Finally, in the settings, you can add a dynamic feed to pull in product data or other data into your ads. Linking a campaign to your feed will normally result in a better user experience. The quality of your product information can help determine who your ads are served to and provide comprehensive, high-quality feed results in those ads. So, for example, if someone has gone to your website, Google will be able to track the fact they've gone to your website and then will be able to display the products they've been looking at and drive people back to your website.